Not every great day needs a plan. Sometimes it just needs the right place. Today we're at Grootbrak River, where the river meets the sea. This is one of those rare spots on the garden route where fresh river water flows straight into the ocean, calm, open, and constantly changing with the tides. When the ocean feels a bit too wild, the river is perfect. Clear, calm, and just cold enough to wake you up. This is why we fly drones, to see familiar places from a completely new perspective. No rush, no schedule, just being present. Later we take to the water by canoe, gliding past reeds, reflections, and the island once again. From down here, the river feels alive. Right in the middle of the river sits the small island, quietly shaping the flow of the water around it. From the air, you really see how everything connects. This is Grootbrak River at its best. Days like this reminds us, you don't have to go far to feel free.